Because my car's at about 13,241 miles. I don't really care what the interval is to clean your air filter. I noticed that it's pretty dirty, so I'm gonna get it cleaned. And you know what that means? The cleaner the filter, the more free-flowing. The more free-flowing, the more power. And the more power means more Gapplebees. I love taking people to Gapplebees. Let's get this cleaned up. Now all we need to get this filter out is this dinky little Phillips. Look at that. Tiny little tool. It's gonna do everything we need because there's only gonna be one bolt that we're gonna have to loosen up, and then we should be able to just pull it out. So let's get going. All right, I got it off. I had to take the air box out. You don't have to. What it turned out to be was just you had to wiggle it out. But I'm an idiot, so I just took the air box out. Doesn't really matter. But let me show you how dirty it is. Take a nice close look. You see in between the fins there? It's all this dirt all around. So I'm gonna clean this up and we're gonna get at least 50 more wheel horsepower doing this. Let's get to the cleaning process. All right, so here's the kit we're gonna use. It's the K&N Recharger kit. Here are the instructions. Clean it, rinse it, dry it, and oil it. We're not gonna oil it because our Mopar filter does not need oil. So let's do a quick unboxing. And that's what we're gonna need. So that's the oil. I don't think we need that. So all we're gonna do is use this, the air filter cleaner. So let's get to the tub, apply the cleaner, rinse it, and let it dry, and then we should be done. Let's go. Here's our filter. Here is our spray. I don't even need to shake it up, but I'm gonna shake it up. All right. Honestly, the filter's pretty dirty, so I'm just gonna let loose on it. All right, we're gonna let that soak. Rinse off the spray. Some of that got on the bottle. Clean that up right now. Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Sure, 10 minutes. Starting now.
Hey Google, shut up. Look at all that stuff coming out. And that's just rinsing from the inside out. All that dirt, all that horsepower lost. We're gonna get it all back. Now the last step to cleaning is to let it dry. I'm gonna just fling the water, whatever is left. Help the drying process. I'm getting myself all soaked, but that's okay. All right, enough flinging around. I'm gonna leave this Mopar air filter here to dry and leave the case here also out here to dry. And I'll be back later in the day. I'm gonna put it right back in the car, and then we're gonna see how much faster extra 50 wheel horsepower is gonna give us. All right, before we get this put in, I'm gonna put the air filter back into the box and then just scoop my way in to the rest of the intake system. And by doing this, it should just make everything easier. All right, the intake's back on and it feels great. I better make some reservations for Gapplebees because I'm taking some people over there right now. Here we go, here we go. Woo! Yeah, buddy! I can feel it. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my God, yes, yes, yes. Ooh, it just went so fast. Oh my God. Woo! Let's go see what my time was. Thank you. Thanks for the slip. Thank you. suck.